Well, the countdown begins, guys. Valentine's Day is less than a week away. So I thought I'd share this cute little idea for a Valentine's themed cupcake with you. These are easy. They work with any cupcake flavor and any frosting flavor you want to use. You can use box mix, homemade mix. It really doesn't matter because the best part about these cupcakes is the unexpected surprise that's hidden inside. So get your hands on some cake batter, frosting, and sprinkles because I'm going to show you how to make these super cute and easy cupcakes just in time for Valentine's Day. I made my vanilla cake batter and added strawberry extract, strawberry juice from frozen strawberries, and a little bit of powder to make my vanilla cake batter into strawberry cake batter. Then I scooped my batter into cupcake tins and made sure they were all as even as possible before placing them into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. While my cupcakes baked, I made some buttercream frosting by adding 4 sticks of room temperature butter into a bowl, and I used a hand mixer to whip it up until it was nice and creamy. Once my butter is nice and creamy, I'm going to place a sifter over my bowl and add in some powdered sugar. I'm using the sifter to get out any clumps that I have in my powdered sugar. I'm just going to grab a spatula to work the sugar through the sifter, but you could also use a fork or anything else that you have on hand. Once all of the sugar is in my bowl, I'm going to use my hand mixer to blend it all together. Once it's all blended together, I'm going to grab 2 more bowls and I'm going to scoop a little bit of frosting into each one. I want my cupcakes to have 2 shades of pink along with the white frosting. So I'm adding dye to each of these bowls and mixing it together with a fork until I have the color that I want for my cupcakes. My cupcakes are out of the oven and they're completely cooled, so I'm going to take them out of the pan and place them on my countertop where I'm going to be working. Then I'm going to use a decorator tip to create a hole in the top of each cupcake. And I'm going to scoop out all of the extra cupcake I don't want. All I'm going to do is use the wide end of my decorator tip, push it into the middle of my cupcake and twist it, and then pull out, and that extra piece of cupcake will be inside the tip, and I'll just push it through using a toothpick into a little bowl, and I can use it for cake pops or anything else. And then I'm going to do that to each one of my cupcakes. Next, I'm going to use a spoon to fill each cupcake with my sprinkles. I'm using 3 different types of Valentine themed sprinkles, and I'm going to fill the hole I made in each one of my cupcakes to the very top with sprinkles. Once all of my cupcakes are filled with sprinkles, I'm going to be using a decorator bag filled with all 3 of my buttercream colors that I made earlier. And I'm going to use my favorite decorator tip. This is an Ateco number 827 tip, and I just make 3 swirls and then I lift up. And I'm going to do this technique to each one of my cupcakes. I start in the middle where the sprinkles are, and I start making a wide swirl, and then slowly layer that swirl with another smaller swirl, and then I release the pressure and pull up. It takes some practice, and practice makes perfect, but you can do it. Just practice, practice, practice. Now that they are all frosted, I'm going to top each one of my cupcakes with sprinkles to make them a little bit more festive and fun. Once I've got my sprinkles on here, these cupcakes are done. Now the fun part of these cupcakes is that each one is filled with more sprinkles inside. So when you bite into your cupcake, you get a surprise of these extra sprinkles. And who doesn't love more sprinkles? I mean, come on, that's one of the best things about a cupcake is the sprinkles. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you a fun idea for your Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching.